This is a quick presentation about our website, Game Research, and our plans to bring the best in game research in a convenient and readily accessible manner. Our goal is to deliver quality information about the most popular games and to make it easily accessible to anyone. Whether you are a gamer or need to shop for someone who is, Game Research's goal is to be a springboard for discovering new games. My name is Glenn Lauritsen. I was largely in charge of the overall UI and site design, along with organizing our user research. We aimed for a clean and simple interface for Game Research, with the hopes of providing a sleek and efficient site that was easy to use. As we can see, information is just a click away. We'll talk about these parts of the site more in a little while. We improved our UI design based on user feedback, making intuitive changes, such as making the entire sliders act as hyperlinks to our subpages. We also utilized some API information as well to create more dynamic headers, labels, and section titles. But for more of the APIs, Daniel and Dawson will talk about the ones we were utilizing and how they were implemented throughout the site.
So for my portion of the project, I was in charge of grabbing all of these images for all the games you see here, the images here, and then incorporating Google's API to query YouTube and grab top 25 game reviews for the said game that we have in the title. Another part of this went on to grabbing IDs for each game and then the game's name and putting that into the title bar as a URL variable so that we were able to update our headers and actually search/query YouTube properly using Google's API.
Hello, my name is Daniel Hartman, and I was in charge of connecting the front page to the back page, as you see there, and embedding the Reddit API's results into the discussion board site of this subpage. Now, this was difficult as there were issues with same origin security and among other things. When the Reddit API returns a JSON file, which is related to the search that you've made into the Reddit website, you can go through this search and find the most relevant subreddit, in this case r/global offensive, and return that to show to the user. Now, some of the games do not provide the most accurate result, but in later editions of this website we will have that running. These games and these options will be available when we would sell this back to whatever business would be interested in it. It would sell to somebody like Steam or Discord, somebody who's a gaming service provider and would want this information collected together. Thanks.